What are we doing today, babe?
Changing my lights.
You like them? All right, let's get to it. Now we remove all these bolts with the yellow marks. Yep. Alright, so remove. It's already, so yeah, I gotta remove that clip and that clip, so they're already off. Now I gotta put it on the front. Should slide forward.
I'm trying. What's am I getting out of this? Tell me I didn't broke it. No.
So now I gotta remove these three that hold the fog light in. Pull this off. Alright, so now I gotta remove this piece, which is a little bit tricky. It's very tough to get it out of here. This is a bit of a pain to remove, but once you get all the clips off, take it off. Comes with a chrome train piece. We don't like that chrome, so they are wrapped in black. Right there, man. The silver plated ones. Place it in the bumper. Make sure all the clips are lined up. While we're at it, to upgrade to HID fog lights. Insert the fog light trim. interference with the new fog light with this bent. So we're gonna try to trim this edge so that we can have clearance for the bulb. Try to cut this whole section out.
There we go.
So that we can have space for it.
It's running.
No, we're still hitting. You're kidding me. Right, so the kit that came with these lights doesn't actually plug into this. Even though it said it was bolt-on, it's not. So I got myself some Autozone plugs, and I'm gonna swap this plug out so I can have something that plugs into the lights over there. It is wired. The yellow signal wire is tapped into the red wire of the resistor pack that comes with the kit, and then black goes to black, and now you got your two plugs ready to go. Did the same thing on the other one. Signal wire spliced into the positive of the signal resistor, and this is the other plug from the light. Over here, the rest of the harness for the lights comes in here. So what I've done is add a fuse to a circuit that's only on when the car is on, and pardon this mess, but I got nowhere else to put this, so I just left it there. And then my ground is right down there, down the bottom of the airbox. And then run the cables through here, out the side, bottom of the headlight, and run across the bumper bar, and then it comes out over here. Now the rest of the plug is right there, and then it's zip tied along the rest of the harness.